At a press conference held in Shillong on the 26th of July 2023, the chairman of the Hynniewtrep Border Dispute Redressal Forum, HBDRF, Chandame Sungoh, had informed newspersons on the status of Block 1 in the border area between the states of Assam and Meghalaya. Speaking on the issue, Chandame Sungoh said that as per the survey of the United Khasi and Jaintia Hills of 1958 and in consultation with all stakeholders, it had been concluded that the border area of Block 1 belongs to the state of Meghalaya and not as claimed by the Assam government to be situated well within its boundary. At the same time, Sungoh said that talks on resolving the issue of border dispute under the same block had taken place earlier with the Meghalaya Chief Minister and the stakeholders, wherein he had promised to initially hold talks on the transfer of such areas to Meghalaya, but of late the talks have been put on hold by the Deputy Chief Ministers Nyobhalang, who had given priority to the Khanduli and Siar sectors as far as talks or discussions are concerned. Sungoh added that the forum has allowed a time frame of 10 days for the state government to resume talks on Block 1 area, failing which it will approach the Meghalaya Human Rights Commission for intervention into the matter.
Ba not do kasnem khantai spa sam thewe san theo ar puta terte kadon be kam tata ka kam par transfer ka block 1 kam dom tata ka khanduli ba share sector la da nam ko kala ka khanduli ba ka share sector ka dang mi tang ini ki khantai spa ni revolution ni kataro ngam ngimla ba shai ba nanno ko mi kari khanduli ba ka share sector kani yo le se ka dei ka eka plan basion dia joko sarkar de mi dawa but andang kali chief minister ya kata kamat om em kamton kum kata kajing temu jungi bani kren swai bersiar ber khanduli jadi temu baik banyak kren baik sendoni tambah hadir nang tang ayo sing empat pak kani kerja komiti pat betul le sarkar keba kli du deputy chief minister jumi masnya walandhar om ba ini kren swai khanduli ba dia ka bersiar sektor ba lajikat tu mentah rajam dap lai benai pura kani gajing ikan at kelanek kelesah do mentah te kumbang ong biang nandu menne cuma ke sarkar kan ong yamat dia situ kam sim khia ban sem ban warra biang ka sok sok san alor kani gajing te nagalian jungi hi kum ka forum lada ka sarkar lagi ar sarkar kim sim khia ban ban ra ni sok sok san Keloi kat pala mardor namarba ngelik isang sot pala jika jing bagi priu jungi kia kendu wat ki baya pu geladam namar bagi biok da wai ki da shimshu na lor bagi jaga ki de ki bajngai ti ki singking ki ye wihan hospital kum ta ter sa ka pakhang ti kum ne ngimban se ban shim ya garai ban thono saka Human Rights Commission pe.
In the meantime, the residents of Block 1, under the leadership of M.M. Taying, had informed media persons that the area is well under the jurisdiction of the state of Meghalaya and does not fall under any of the disputed areas. While addressing the issue, the residents of Block 1 pointed out that the people have been experiencing various challenges and are bearing the brunt of border dispute between the states of Meghalaya and Assam. Equipped with evidence in the form of maps and documents, the residents informed that as per the last notification of the United Khasi and Jaintia Hills issued in 1957, demarcation between the border areas belonging to the Karbis of Assam and the Pnar of the Jaintia Hills of Meghalaya is left pending. The representatives of the people of Block 1 further informed that as many as 36 villages are under the block and most of these belong to the state of Meghalaya, as evident from the way of life, the administrative, social and religious practices of the people of Meghalaya, which are prevalent to this day.
Birmala kanta bora Queen ke MLA ko Assembly yang ke Assam. Tu orang kuno yang ini kita jangan mikir pakai janji hills. Lapan sisian bagi ni kita dibentai yang ke mikir hill jangan nak kesah. Orang biarlah kanta orang. Tega jebak no bisnaran medhi om ikum belum meta kampat tikna nama rame om at present the boundary between the United Khasi and Janti Hills with Karbi Anglong and Kasha is impremature. On the boundary should be revised and the matter will be examined further. Pelakran saya orang pempatan keput kesam ikum belum mentah. Te hadir kene kejing tanya apa ke Assam Assembly te ki penmina dah kene ke notification. Kene ke notification ke nombor RSR aspak nai pun rius grup san purway grup cispak lai pro ke bawah ke Assam kejet. Kalai tarik umat ke kendai sepak sepenyau. Hang ni kalau keren syai habis ini day bat uput hapten ke mikir nak kesyar bat ke United Khasi and Janti Hills ki on but all the previous notification defining the eastern boundary but supersist yang tu notification ke kendai sepak sepenyau. Ada mentah tu kemersi orang tu empat dan uput usam haperden ke mikir Karbi Anglong pemerintah bak ke Janti Hills. Takut kala im hagane ke notification ke kat kendai sepak san punyo san pupra. Malah hagane kala define dulu yang iput kisam di banamno ke boundary kedai balai. Kahangin untuk pensisya yang kene kejaka bakal Karbi Anglong kemudian lamba kamam hang ne ngigam kamam ke pensisya ba kene ka elaka labang melot belawon kapat de ke benta yang dari janji jam ke mikir ke ndrei ke dam de ke benta yang dari janji